Hey everyone, welcome to today's discussion. We'll be diving into the applications and key differences between plasma cutting machines and laser cutting machines for cutting and shaping materials like metal. Both machines occupy an important position in the cutting industry, but they have their own advantages in function, precision, and cost. Plasma cutting is a cutting technique that uses a plasma torch to generate a high-temperature plasma arc to melt and vaporize materials. This technique is commonly used in industries such as automotive manufacturing and metal manufacturing, and is favored for its cost-effectiveness and ability to quickly cut a variety of thick metal materials including steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. Plasma cutters can not only handle irregular shapes and curves, but are also portable and suitable for cutting operations in remote geographical locations. However, despite its fast cutting speed and wide range of applications, plasma cutting may not be as accurate as laser cutting, and the process generates a lot of heat, noise, and smoke. Laser cutting uses a high-powered laser beam to irradiate the material, melting or vaporizing the material to achieve precise cutting. This technology is widely used in industries such as aerospace, medical, and electronics. Laser cutting machines are known for their high precision and can easily handle the cutting of thin metals and complex shapes and curves tasks, and is an ideal choice for precision parts manufacturing. Compared with plasma cutting, laser cutting generates less heat, hardly causes metal warping, and significantly reduces noise and smoke, providing a safer working environment for operators. However, the initial investment of laser cutting machine is relatively high, and the cutting thickness is limited by different laser powers. It is necessary to confirm in advance before purchasing. When choosing a cutting machine, it is necessary to weigh it according to the needs of the specific project. Plasma cutting machines are suitable for large projects and thick metal materials due to their cost-effectiveness, fast cutting speed, and wide range of applications, while laser cutting machines are ideal for delicate projects and indoor workspaces due to their high precision, low heat, low noise, and smoke. Although both have their own advantages and disadvantages, understanding and making full use of their characteristics will help us complete cutting tasks more accurately and efficiently. If you are interested in our machines and want to discuss more topics, please leave us a message. Welcome to subscribe to our channel to unlock more knowledge about laser equipment.